hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be diving into the Lush kitchen subscription box for June. As always, I've avoided Instagram and all that kind of stuff because I don't like to spoil any of this. I know that if you guys don't know, by the way, what the kitchen box is, essentially it's a monthly box. It does cost near to £40, so it is quite expensive, but essentially it's a monthly box where they give you products you can't necessarily buy in store. You can actually vote for the products. I'm not gonna lie, I never do that. I don't want to spoil what's in the box, so I never actually do the vote. But if you guys want to kind of get involved with it, you can vote. But yeah, so that is what we're going to be doing today. I have the box right here. I have no idea what's inside. I'm so excited to dive right in. So without further ado, that is what we're going to do. So I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So just as I've opened the box, this is what it looks like, just so you guys get an idea. So this seems to be a very fruity themed box, which is definitely up my street because you guys know garden smells are not a vibe. I need a t-shirt that says garden smells are not a vibe. Anyway, so I'm really excited about that. So this one is all to do with fruit. I'm really excited about that, and I'm going to avoid what's in the packet, so let's not look at that. And I can already see there are some really cool things in here. I'm so excited. Okay, let's dive in and see what we've got. So as always, I tend to go for the potted things first, just so I can read the ingredients and I don't have to look at the kind of sheet and spoil anything. So the first thing we have is the raspberry and lime body lotion. That sounds delish. I'm so excited to give this a smell. So ingredients wise, we have fresh lime infusion water, almond oil, cold pressed raspberry seed oil, fair trade organic cocoa butter, fresh raspberries, lime oil. On the front it says smell fab, fresh and fruity with this ultra hydrating almond and raspberry seed oil lotion. I am so excited. Is it going to be pink? Let's find out together because I just cannot wait to give it a smell. Is it pink? Is it pink? Is it pink? No, that's really disappointing, I'm not gonna lie. Kind of wanted it to be pink. Ooh, okay. This is what it looks like on the inside in case you guys wanted to have a little look. Here are the ingredients, so if you want to pause and read that, you're more than welcome. But let's just, I'm gonna have to put a little bit on my skin and just give it a try because it smells incredible. Oh my god, what does that smell like? It's got a really lovely smell to it. It's like sweet, but not, it's not comforter sweet, and it doesn't necessarily smell like raspberries. It is quite a thick lotion, I will say. Like, it is quite, I don't want to say greasy, but it has got that kind of greasy texture. So this is probably one that I would use after a shower and then go to bed and let it soak in. But that smells incredible. I cannot describe it. It has kind of a very neutral body lotion smell, but with like a hint of raspberry. It's good though. Really good, so I'm really excited about that. Lovely. Next up in the box we have got, ooh, okay, this is the Lush Lime Shower Smoothie. I'm sensing a theme of raspberry and lime in this box. I don't know whether all the products are going to be the same, but anyway. On the front of this one it says, adopt a life of lime and get the zest kind of clean with fresh strawberries and zingy lime juice. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got fresh butternut squash infusion, olive oil, coconut oil, lime juice, fresh strawberries, orange flower absolute, grapefruit. I'm so excited to smell it. Let's see what it looks like. See, again, like, why is it just white? Do you know what I mean? Again, it's got a very subtle smell. It's not overly in your face. A very creamy smell. Kind of like a smoothie, but a really light, like, imagine mixing Lime Bounty moisturizer with like ice cream. That's kind of what this smells like. It smells really good though. But yeah, love that little shower smoothie. I haven't had a shower smoothie in a very long time, so I'm excited to use that. Next up we have, oh, I just put my thumb in something gross. What is this? Ooh, okay, we have the Happy Blooming Shower Jelly. This one says deep red toning cherry infusion is the highlight of this jolly jiggler. A splash of reviving coconut water and coconut cream tie in nicely for a creamy fruity lather. And ingredients wise in this one we have got carrageenan extract, coconut, almond essential oil, ylang ylang. I'm very excited to give this a smell, but I'm scared that it's going to go everywhere because it feels a little bit sticky. So okay, this smells like, what's it called, cherry bakewells, which I don't particularly love cherry bakewells, but the smell's quite nice. Like, it's like cherry and marzipan-y. It does smell good though. If you guys have watched me for a while, you will know that I am not the most massive fan of a shower jelly. I don't find them easy to use in the shower. So I actually cut mine up, put it on a sieve, hold it under the tap and use it as like bubble bath. But I'm really excited about that. That does smell really, really good. The next item we have is a shower gel, and this is, oh, okay, this is the Yummy 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 shower gel, which I always confuse with Yummy Mummy. But anyway, this is the Yummy 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 shower gel, and it says, lather yourself in summer sun with fresh strawberry infusion and passion seed oil. Pick your own and keep the whole punnet for yourself. And ingredients wise in this one we have got fresh strawberry infusion, bergamot oil, olibanum oil, geranium oil, almond oil, pressed passion seed oil, strawberry infusion. Did I say that already? Let's give it a smell. I think before I smell it, this is going to smell kind of like that strawberry Santa. You know, we had that bubble bath for Christmas like a few years ago, and it was like a strawberry with like whipped cream in the middle. I think this is going to smell like that, but that's just a guess. Anyway, let's give it a smell. It does smell like that. It smells like Strawberry Fields massage bar, which, that's so nostalgic. I can't even cope. Without saying this one smells like strawberry, it's very sweet, it's very creamy, but it's not bubblegum sweet. It does have like that strawberry kind of smell to it, which I really, really enjoy. So I do love this. I'm really excited about it. And it's a medium-sized bottle, so I love that. So good job, Lush. 10 out of 10 for that. And last but definitely not least, we have, I hope this is what I think it is, because I used to love these. We have this. Oh, okay, it's not the same. Oh, that smells kind of funny. So this is the Big Strawberry Bath Melt. Now, let me know if you have been using Lush for long enough to have one of these bath melts other than those oils that came out, because these are delicious. They make it so creamy and not oily, and they are the most perfect concoction for a bath melt. And when they used to do the floating island and melting marshmallow moment, I would buy them all the time because they were just so good. But this is the Big Strawberry, and ingredients wise in this one we have got cocoa butter, fresh strawberries, shea butter, almond oil, geranium oil, jasmine absolute. It kind of smells a bit gardeny, not being funny. I don't know what it would be that would make it smell like that, because it doesn't smell like the Yummy 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 shower gel at all. It's got almost like a mint. It's almost got an undertone of like, you know, those bags you put in the microwave, those like oat bags. It kind of smells like that, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, that's the last item. Not my favourite, but I feel like everything else made up for that, so I'm not mad about it. So that is everything for the Lush kitchen subscription box for June. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on the box. I am actually really impressed, and I think it is a mainly shower themed box, which is really nice, so there's not overly loads to use in the bath, so everyone can kind of use it. But yeah, I would say I'm most excited about the Yummy 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 shower gel, and probably the lime and raspberry body lotion. I feel like those two things are probably what I'm going to use first, and I'm really excited about it. So yeah, that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more of these videos or more Lush videos in general, make sure you subscribe. I'm also planning on doing a giveaway as soon as we hit 11,000 subscribers, so make sure you are subscribed if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. But that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.